Every spacecraft has a core command module that controls its orientation and trajectory. Guess what? You've got a powerful core too. Your core helps you move, balance, and even stand still. It keeps you rock solid and helps protect you from accidents on Earth and in space. I'm ESA astronaut John McFall, and today we're going to train like astronauts to build a strong core. Find a soft surface like a mat or a carpet. Lie on your back, knees bent, arms crossed. Using your core, you're going to lift your upper body until your shoulder blades leave the floor. Then, lower back down again. Now, let's do 10 together. Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.5, 10.
Well done, guys. Now, I want you to flip onto your stomach, elbows on the ground. Push up into a plank, body in a straight line, core tight. Now let's hold it for 30 seconds. Come on, you've got this. Too easy? Try lifting one leg to the side or holding longer. Too hard? Drop your knees to the ground and build up from there. Now, astronauts need especially strong stomach and back muscles to move and twist their bodies in microgravity. A strong core is also essential when we unpack cargo shipments, for example. Perform these exercises regularly and you too will have a solid, iron-strong core. You've got this, Space Explorers.